Richard lived in the city with his 3 children. Jack, the eldest, was sensible. James and Lily were obedient, but sometimes mischievous. For years ago, their mother had passed away. Mrs. Laura, their maid, took care of the house. Next door, Richard's sister Juliana lived with her husband, Charles. Charles was also Richard's friend and business partner. One evening, Juliana and Charles visited. Richard carried gifts for the kids.
James, Lily. These are for you,
He said, handing them boxes. James tore his open.
Wow, a puzzle. Thanks, Dad.
Lily hugged her doll.
I love it. Thank you.
Richard smiled and turned to Jack.
and this is for you.
He revealed a shiny piano. Jack smiled.
Thank you, Dad.
Lily frowned.
Why does Jack get this? Not us?
James crossed his arms.
That's not fair.
Richard smiled.
If you had asked, I would have brought one for you too.
Jack pressed a key.
I've always wished for this.
One night, Richard came into Jack's room. Jack was in bed. As they talked, Richard suddenly said,
Jack, take care of your siblings. Okay?
Jack yawned.
What do you mean?
Because you are the eldest.
Richard replied.
When I'm not around, it's your responsibility.
He patted Jack's shoulder and left. The next evening, Juliana came running in. Her eyes were full of tears. Jack's heart sank.
Aunt, what happened?
She sobbed.
Your father. Richard. He's gone.
Jack froze. Lily and James clung to him.
No! Dad!
Richard had died suddenly of a heart attack. A week later, Jack sat with Charles and Juliana.
You'll get a monthly amount for house expenses,
Charles said. Juliana added softly.
Jack. You can live with us.
Jack shook his head.
No, Aunt. We'll stay here. You and Uncle live beside us. Don't worry.
Juliana nodded slowly. After that, Jack began managing the house, with Mrs. Laura's help. One morning at breakfast, there were egg sandwiches, milk, bread, jam, and orange juice on the table. James frowned.
I want cake.
Lily pushed her orange juice away.
I want date milkshake.
Jack put down his fork.
We need to manage with what we have.
They made faces, then began eating. Months passed. One evening at the market, Lily wanted a new bag, a doll, and some clothes. James asked for shoes, toys, and a cap.
No,
Jack said firmly.
we can't buy everything.
He bought a bag for Lily and a pair of shoes for James. Lily frowned.
But we wanted more.
Jack said.
We'll get the rest later. If we can.
That evening, Lily and James argued. Lily said,
Jack, you never spend on us. You only save.
James added,
Yes. We can manage the house ourselves.
Jack went to his room and came back with the money.
Take this.
He said. Jack and Lily began ordering pizza, cake, and other things every day. James sighed but said nothing. One day, Jack saw James holding his head.
What's wrong?
He asked.
14 days left in the month.
James said.
But all the money is finished.
I have some savings.
Jack said.
Don't worry.
Next month, James didn't take the money for household expenses.
We shouldn't have complained.
James said, a little ashamed. Lily nodded slowly. Jack walked to the piano and pressed a single key.
Dad said. It was my responsibility.
He said softly. Lily and James wiped their eyes. They understood. And that was enough. Moral: we learn from tough times.